Hello, teachers! Want to motivate your students and build a positive classroom culture? Imagine instantly rewarding positive behavior directly from Focus. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps of configuring and using badges in Focus. These badges are an excellent tool for recognizing and encouraging positive student behavior, and they're easy to set up. So let's get started. First, you will log into your Focus account as usual. In the menu on the left, choose Positive Behaviors. The Reward Positive Behavior screen will appear. Choose Configure at the top right corner of the screen. In the blank row at the top of the table, enter the badge title. In the next column is a drop-down. This is where you will see all of the award types your administrator has created. So you will need to associate the title of the badge you create with an administrator configured badge type. The badge title I created on time all week goes with attendance. You can select from the recommended icons, or to upload your own icon, click Choose a File and select the file from your computer. Any icons you have previously uploaded will be available to use. Select Push Notification to send a push notification to the student and their linked primary custodial contacts when the student is awarded this badge. The student and primary custodial contacts must have the mobile app download and push notifications enabled to receive the notification. Once you have configured your badge, don't forget to save. Configuring and using badges in Focus is a simple but powerful way to build a positive and engaging classroom environment. By taking a few minutes to recognize your students' great work and behavior, you're not just tracking data, you're celebrating success. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and be on the lookout for the next video about the Positive Behavior Awards in Focus.